Located in the heart of Vancouver, Port Metro Vancouver's South Shore Corridor is an integral part of the cityscape and an essential part of its economy. Access to and from the port is limited to a few key municipal intersections. Each day, over 2,000 vehicles travel along the internal two-lane roadway. The port's challenge is to keep goods and people moving in this constrained area. With 14 level rail crossings to access the diverse businesses, truck-train conflicts are a daily occurrence.
All vehicles grind to a halt, not just commercial vehicles, but employees trying to transit in and out of the South Shore throughout the day, and can tie up the roadway for upwards of 30 minutes to an hour.
The biggest challenge for Lafarge at this South Shore location is logistics. Concrete is a perishable product and we only have a limited amount of time to get it to our job site. So the biggest challenge is making sure that the trains don't interrupt our travel times.
We have over 100 employees on this site that need to get to work safely and on time each day, and upwards of 100 deliveries of raw material and our finished products leaving here by truck. So access challenges regarding container truck traffic and rail are a big issue for us.
The South Shore Corridor project will help move cargo and people more efficiently and reliably. It focuses on several key areas of high congestion.
The key improvements for the project itself involves a fairly long elevated structure that will be above the existing roadway parallel to the rail between Victoria and Clark.
The two-lane elevated road will eliminate almost all of the current conflicts by separating road and rail, allowing free movement of vehicles and trains, and better access to businesses within the port.
In addition to that, the elevated structure drives some benefits to the environment. By no longer congesting streets and having trucks idling, waiting for rail switches to complete.
At the base of Victoria Drive is one of the port's only pedestrian entry points for workers. The project plan is to build a pedestrian overpass to improve safety and efficiency.
The splitting up of trains to keep that entrance open will no longer be a requirement. So that in itself will reduce the amount of noise, in particular along that stretch of rail.
From our perspective, it's very important that we have the best service that we can provide to our customers trying to move cargo through this particular gateway. This project goes a long way to supporting that.
Port Metro Vancouver is committed to working with communities to minimize the effects as trade continues to grow.
Port Metro Vancouver is way more than just cargo and ships and trains and the action that happens here every day. It's a lot to do with our neighbors, our communities, and working together.
The South Shore Corridor project will ease congestion and greatly improve traffic flow at the port, while reducing the effects of port operations on the surrounding community.